Want glowing skin using only natural ingredients? Here's how. Today, we're diving into the world of green tea to create a refreshing face mist that will leave your skin radiant and rejuvenated. Start by brewing a cup of organic green tea and let it cool completely. While it cools, gather a small spray bottle, a few drops of vitamin E oil, and a splash of rose water. Once the tea is ready, pour it into the spray bottle, filling it halfway. Add a few drops of vitamin E oil for its nourishing properties, and top it off with rose water for a soothing aroma. Shake well to combine all ingredients. This powerful combination not only hydrates, but also reduces inflammation and fights free radicals, thanks to the antioxidants in green tea. Spritz the mist onto your face throughout the day to refresh and invigorate your skin. Watch as your complexion transforms, gaining a luminous glow. Remember to store the mist in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. This DIY face mist is perfect for all skin types and a great addition to your skincare routine. Subscribe for more natural beauty tips and elevate your skincare game to the next level.